Hot Shot's secret is founded on the principle that fixing engine problems and improving our customers' lives are our top priorities. Hot Shot's secret products are designed to clean and protect your engine and ensure that it still is in top shape. From oil and fuel additives to engine oil and transmission fluid, Hot Shot's secret has the formula that will improve your engine's efficiency and performance. We create products with highly concentrated formulas that are much more impactful than the diluted bottled products commonly found on retail shelves. When we say our products work, we mean it, and we have the backup to prove it. All our products are fully formulated, meaning we do not add fillers just to sell a product and are subjected to rigorous third-party testing, after which we publish the results. We want you to have the confidence that every Hot Shot secret product you buy has been scientifically proven to be the best of the best. Hot Shot Secret, powered by science.